Good morning, guys. It's ATL. What's up, you guys? It's Good Dogs Phone. What you guys been up to? Anything for fresh, anything new, anything to say? Well, right now, you guys, I'm just heading out to work, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I get to work.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do 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 do.
It's Go Dogs for One.
Hey guys, so right now, you guys, I'm just at work, so I'll talk to you guys when I am done work. So I just got home, you guys, and I just put seafood lasagna, you guys, in the oven, you guys. I just got home not that long ago, so I'm a little bit tired, but it's okay, you guys. It's gonna be fun and exciting what we're gonna do. I'll probably have to record videos this week, try to get everything organized, try to think things through, what we're gonna do for a video idea. Try and get everything organized. Try to. So that's pretty cool and exciting. I'm just about to relax for a few minutes while I'm waiting for the lasagna to be ready. You guys, yes, I'm just gonna play some, just look at videos, see what we can do today, you guys. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So right now, you guys, I am just searching up apartments close by so I can actually maybe see what I can afford this week, because it's challenging sometimes for where places. Apartments. Let's see. Where is that place? Quantum. Let's see if there's any places available, you guys. I'm trying to search up apartments that I can afford, you guys. Yeah, I'm just trying to find places. There's a lasagna, you guys. Looks so good. So right now, you guys, I'm tired of looking at apartments right now, you guys. I tried to apply. I tried to get in to some places, so I'm just waiting for a response, see if it's available. I do not know. Some was 600 for a 2-bedroom apartment, which is nice. But I don't know. I don't know where God wants me to be. Sometimes it's hard to know where He wants me to be, and sometimes that's hard. But I'm going to keep my faith up and keep my trusting in Him. So it's difficulty sometimes because I really want a place, but it's on my timing. It's God's timing. So there's a lot of people praying for me, so that's pretty cool and exciting. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Bye!